So if I go on my y-axis from 2 all the way to 12, I can see that's going to be plus 10. That's going to be 10. And if I go left across here, that's going from 10 to 4, so it's going to be negative 6. This one here is my rise, and this one here is my run. So if I'm calculating the gradient of A, it's going to be rise over run, so 10 over negative 6. Okay. Answer for A, the gradient is equal to 10, positive 10, over negative 6. We simplified to become negative 5 because we can divide this by 2. Divide this by 2 becomes negative 5 over 3 fourths. Okay. All right. You can start from 4. If you start from 4, which is this side of the line, and you go, let's say you go down to 2, then it will be negative 10. So that'll be the same as saying negative 10. And then if you go right until there, it'll be positive 6. And that will still come to negative 5 over 3, which is the same answer. So you can choose to go from either point. As long as when you're going down, you make the number negative, and if you're going left, the number is negative. If you're going up, the number is positive, and if you're going right, the number is positive. Okay. So for B now, if I start at this point and I go up, that's going to be 4. And if I go right, that's going to go from 10 to 4, so it's going to be 4 to the right. So it's plus and plus. So the rise here would be positive and the run would be positive. And this would be 4 divided by 4. If I started this side, I mean, I could have done this as well, but that's still plus 4, and that's still plus 4. The rise of a run would still be plus 4 and 4. If I started at the top and went downwards and left, it would be negative 4 and negative 4. And negative 4 divided by negative 4 is the same as 4 over 4, which is 1. If I went this way, negative 4 and negative 4, and that would also be that. So for B, the gradient is given by 4 over 4, or it can also be given by negative 4 over negative 4. Is equal to 1. So for C, what we have is, let's say we go downwards, this is going to be negative because I'm going down, and I'm going from 6 to 3, will be minus 3. Then I'm going to go right, from 13 to 14, that's going to be positive 1. So for C, the gradient is going to be rise over run, will be minus 3 for 1, which is just simply minus 3. Now, A was negative because it's sloping this way, and C is negative because it's also sloping this way. But we notice that B is positive because it's sloping this way. The positive gradients go towards the right, lean towards the right, negative gradients lean towards the